Okay, so this is called there you go, right there. So I think this is this main road right here. This is also part of Taipa, and we're gonna go from here into that little park and just kind of see what it's all about. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we go. So we're gonna take up this trail right here. So you can kind of see we're in a Taipa. I usually film in the city urban part, but there's some trails in Taipa, and this is one of them, of many. So I don't know if you can see that Tahoe area, and then we have to cross over this busy street right here, which I think we have the right of way in this one, so we'll sneak across. Then we have the right of way here. So basically all the pedestrian areas, we have the right of way. So there you go, that's the so this is the park, and it looks like things are kind of closed. Let's just see what the rules say. Okay, so there's a rules for the barbecue area, and it looks like the barbecue area is closed, so all these seats will have barbecue for them. I don't know if it's closed because of COVID or some other reason, but actually it's pretty well built, so you'd have, you know, you can get in and out easily, and they got, I don't know, at least like a dozen barbecue pits. There's a bathroom too, keeps things sanitary too, right? So we're just gonna check it out, and there's lots of hiking trails everywhere here. Yeah, actually it's pretty clean, and they do have quite a few garbage container areas. Bamboo. So yeah, you get another taste of Taipa here. So let's just see what some of this stuff says. There you go. And we could definitely take some of these. Let's just see this one right here too. So this one's actually a route. So we just came, this is the main road there. Then you can hike this little circular route. So there you go. And that's it up right there. So I think that they are going to be hiking this trail, or they already hiked it, I think. Okay. A little bit of bamboo there. And then we could I don't know what this stuff says here. Let's just see. Okay. No bikes and no littering. Let's just go up and just see what kind of view we can get. So it looks like this is maybe the cars can come up this side. But now you can get an idea of what else is around here in Taipa. Also part of Macau. So you have all these trails everywhere. And you can see the ocean from here as well. We're just trying to get up a little higher so you can see them better. Yeah, there you go. Huh. I think, it's pretty nice. You can see little houses. Well, I don't know what they are, but they're, I think that one's a hotel. So I can't remember the name of that hotel, but you can tell that it's a hotel because of all the different partitions. So each hotel room, maybe it's a condo unit, I don't know. But yeah, so you can see all the ocean. I could definitely keep going on this one, but kind of want to explore some more. But I do want to show you, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. There we go. This is I can zoom in on this camera. I just have to turn it on and turn it back off. I have to turn it off to set it in a different setting. But you can see some ships way out there. I think that all comes in. But yeah, actually I'm reading a book right now about, it's called I Sailed with Chinese Pirates, and it's from the 1920s, and it takes place in Macau and Hong Kong, and a bunch of these islands that are also like China owned. So as I look out over here, you know, I can see all these islands everywhere, and it's like, okay, that's kind of cool. that, you know, these pirates were in and out coming into Macau, and then also going into these islands everywhere. Maybe I'll update you more about that book as I read it. But yeah, it's like from 100 years ago, so it's definitely an interesting context. So, okay. That's just kind of, oh, down there I can see a tennis court. Another area for... But anyways, you kind of got another idea of what everything is like. And, these little trees they have, like, they're helping out these tiny little trees get bigger. I don't know if what happened there exactly, or if those are special trees. There's a big handful, there's quite a few of them. I wonder how that developed. But yeah, there's all these little bamboo posts propping them up, right? And there's just like dozens and dozens of them in this area, and there's more here too. Yeah, you never know what you're gonna find, do you? So anyways, yeah, there you go. So now you got, so Macau's not all just city, right? There's lots of nature. It's just kind of hard to get out here. But not impossible. And then you come right in this little park. Pretty cool. Glad that I came out here. I might try to film more out here. It's just not so easy to get out here, depending on... You got this nice little bamboo. So I guess that little group, they must have, they just left. They're going over there towards a car park area. So they must have just hiked these trails together as a group. So, and then took some pictures afterwards. So they must have hiked this trail, 1490 meters. I don't know what that is, 1.4 kilometers, maybe 1 mile maybe. But yeah, you can see different trails, Kolawan Trail, and I guess this is the Kaho Height Family Trail. It's kind of interesting. That kind of implies that whoever the Kaho family is, they must have donated it to the public, I guess. Anyways, let's end it right there. Well, maybe we'll end it right here so some of you can see what some of the stuff is. Some people, it's kind of cool. Yeah, we'll end it right here. That's a good ending right there. All right, hope you like this one. Toma cuidado la